Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to fix the crashes of the Nakara Bladepoint. So let us start it. So first of all we'll just open here our browser. So in the browser you can directly search for the Nakara uh, crashes. So you have to check the system requirement of a Nakara also, and you have to GPU. So because it's a high intense fighting game, you need to update your all drivers and softwares, and as well as you have to upgrade your hardwares if like possible. So from here you can just like here you can see, so you can just open your operating system and you can do so. Here we can see images also. So so here we can see crashes on the startup buttons also. So you can just go to a task manager also. In the task manager you can do startup also. So if you have any error in your startup you can just disable it, so it will be fixed. So this is how we can just do. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe and share the video. Thank you for watching.